Let's talk about the recently launched ITEL smartphone A60s with stylish and colorful design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6 inches HD Plus display, with resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 90% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 267 ppi pixel density, and with 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. Water drop notch is present. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The phone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 8 megapixel main camera, and 0.08 megapixel camera. For selfies it has 5 megapixel camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 12 Go edition. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by Unisoc SC 9863A1 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8322 GPU. In terms of storage, the phone plugs with 4 GB of RAM with 4 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical damages of the smartphone measures at 165 by 76 by 9 mm, and it weighs around 196 grams, and the color options: moonlit violet, glacier green, shadow black, colors to see in this phone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the phone also features rear-mounted fingerprint sensor with AI face unlock. The connectivity option on the smartphone includes dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with single speaker, and a micro USB charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ITEL A60s has been priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 24,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ITEL A60s? Do let us know in the comment section below, and for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.